Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha, so let's start with today's session. In today's world, no job feels 100% secure. Companies face audits, customer pressure, competition and financial challenges. Sometimes layoffs don't happen because someone is bad at their job. They happen because systems fail, mistakes repeat, or audits go wrong. And when that happens, management looks for accountability. But what if you could protect yourself by becoming more valuable to the organization? That is where one powerful standard comes in, ISO 9001. ISO 9001, not just a certificate on the wall. ISO 9001 is a quality management system. But in simple words, it means working in a planned and organized way. It ensures that roles are clear, processes are defined, work is recorded, and improvements are made regularly. It follows a simple cycle: plan the work, do the work, check the results, and act to improve. When a company follows this system, there is less confusion, fewer repeated mistakes, and better control. And when systems are wrong, employees are safer. So why do employees actually lose jobs? Many people think job loss happens only because of poor performance. But often, it happens due to repeated errors, customer complaints, audit failures, missing documentation, or unclear responsibilities. In companies without proper systems, it becomes easy to blame individuals. However, in an ISO 9001 environment, everything is documented. Responsibilities are defined, records are maintained, decisions are based on facts, not emotions. That clarity gives protection. Clear rules, clear records, clear protection. ISO 9001 requires organizations to clearly define who is responsible for what. When your duties are documented and your work is recorded, you have evidence of what you did. If something goes wrong, discussions are based on documented facts. This reduces office politics and unfair blame. When you work with proper documentation and follow defined procedures, you reduce your professional risk. Now, internal audits, from employee to problem solver. ISO 9001 includes internal audits to check whether processes are working properly. If you understand audits, you become someone who identifies problems early and suggests improvements. You help the company avoid external audit failures and protect its certification. Now think practically. Will a company easily let go of someone who prevents losses and strengthens compliance? Most likely, no. Instead, such people become trusted and respected. Now, risk thinking, the skill that makes you valuable. ISO 9001 encourages risk-based thinking. It teaches you to ask simple but powerful questions. What can go wrong? What will be the impact? How can we prevent it? When you start thinking this way, you move beyond just doing tasks. You become proactive. You become someone who protects the organization from future problems. And proactive professionals are always more secure than reactive ones. Now, during layoffs, who usually stays? When companies reduce staff, they usually retain employees who understand systems, manage processes, support audits, and help improve performance. Multi-skilled employees, internal auditors, compliance supporters, and process owners are harder to replace. If you understand ISO 9001, you position yourself in this category. You are not just completing tasks, you are strengthening the company's foundation. Now the global standard, global opportunities. ISO 9001 is recognized in more than 170 countries and is used in manufacturing, IT, healthcare, education, logistics, and many other sectors. This means your knowledge is not limited to one organization. If you ever switch jobs, ISO 9001 experience is valuable everywhere. That gives you career flexibility and security. ISO 9001 is career protection in disguise. Many people think ISO is just paperwork, but in reality, it builds discipline, accountability, clarity, and continuous improvement. It reduces confusion and strengthens customer trust. When you follow ISO 9001 principles, you become organized, responsible, and reliable. And in uncertain times, reliable professionals survive. So remember, technical skills are important, but system knowledge makes you powerful. And mastering ISO 9001 might just be the smartest step you take to protect your job and grow your career. Stay structured, stay valuable, stay secure.